So I just wanted to make a quick video and kind of explain the changing of the school bus primary entrance door. If you leave the two doors that come on the bus, you're not going to be able to enter and leave without climbing over the driver's seat every single time, because there's an apparatus that actually opens and closes those doors. In this picture you see where a person had used sheet aluminum and probably a welded aluminum frame, which is all what we'd suggest, and made up a custom door. And then it appears that they retrofit in a window that you can buy on Amazon, which is a camper style window that would open and have a screen in it and whatnot. And ultimately you could have a door that is painted to look like this from something of this nature. So lots of people have done different things. This is obviously off of a camper of some type. This one is actually a pretty smart design. They took the two doors that came on the bus, they connected them together into one door, and they created a locking mechanism. What I don't like is that they used wood in the jamb on this, but I think the general idea of using the doors and coupling them is a cost-effective way of doing it. This is one reason why you want one great big door. If you live in cold weather areas, you are going to get ice and rain and whatnot, and it might be worthwhile to have a detachable little canopy that you can use, or one that hinges up and latches as you drive, to keep this type of weather completely off of your door. So consider, when you're doing your design, changing your access door to something of this nature. Do it the very first thing, so that while you work on your bus you have easy access in and out the whole time without having to climb over the seat. You'll enjoy that access for years to come. I hope you enjoyed this little search around for school bus door types, and I hope it's helpful to you. Bye now.